Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Acrobat and opening after Windows update. So if your Adobe Acrobat won't open after Windows update, so the updates may have introduced compatibility changes, altered file associations, or affected Acrobat's installation. So actually guys, as first I really advise you just to do a simple restart to your computer. So just go ahead and click on the Windows below on the task bar and go with the power off button right here, or the power button, and then go with a restart. Okay, so it's right here below that pop-up menu, right? So if you have just installed the Windows update, restart your PC again to ensure all updates components are fully applied. Also guys, you will need to do an update for the Adobe Acrobat. So when Windows update may require a newer version of Acrobat for compatibility. So just open the Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Creative Cloud if installed, or try launching Acrobat after you restarted your PC. So let's say that it still won't launch. So all you need to do is to go to the official website of Adobe Acrobat and just install the latest version or the updates of that app, right? Or install any available updates and then restart your computer again. And once restarted, all you need to do then is to run the Acrobat as administrator, right? So just go ahead, right click on the app or on the Adobe Acrobat, and then go with run as administrator option right here. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.